In a busy and growing community like Loves Park, Illinois, noise can often be an unwanted part of daily life. Whether it's traffic from a nearby road, the hum of lawnmowers in the neighborhood, or simply the general hustle and bustle, unwanted noise can disturb the tranquility of your home. If you're looking for a way to create a more peaceful indoor environment, window installation is one of the most effective solutions for soundproofing your home. New, high-quality windows can dramatically reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, making your living space more comfortable and peaceful. Here's how installing the right windows can improve your home's soundproofing and create a quieter, more serene atmosphere in Loves Park. Energy-efficient windows provide better noise insulation. One of the primary benefits of energy-efficient windows is their ability to keep your home comfortable, but they also help with noise reduction. Double or triple pane windows, often found in energy-efficient models, offer better insulation against sound compared to single pane windows. The additional layers of glass, along with the insulating gases between the panes, create a barrier that dampens external sounds from entering your home. These windows are particularly effective at blocking low-frequency noises like traffic, train sounds, or loud neighbors. If you live near a busy street or in a more densely populated area in Loves Park, energy-efficient windows will provide a noticeable improvement in your home's soundproofing, keeping intrusive noises at bay. Laminated glass reduces noise transmission. Laminated glass is a popular option for homeowners looking to enhance their home's soundproofing capabilities. This type of glass is made by sandwiching a layer of plastic between two panes of glass, creating a barrier that absorbs sound vibrations. The plastic layer is specifically designed to reduce sound transmission, making laminated glass windows highly effective at blocking out external noise. Laminated glass is especially beneficial for homes located near sources of loud noise, such as highways, airports, or railroads. In Loves Park, where residential areas may be close to busy roads, laminated glass windows can significantly reduce noise from traffic, providing a quieter, more peaceful living space. If you're sensitive to noise or simply want to enjoy your home without distractions, laminated glass windows are an excellent soundproofing option. Double or triple pane windows offer superior noise reduction. Double and triple pane windows are an ideal choice for improving soundproofing in your home. These windows consist of 2 or 3 layers of glass, with insulating gas or air sealed between the panes. The design of these windows allows them to block out more noise than single-pane windows, providing a more peaceful indoor environment. The thicker the glass and the greater the number of panes, the more effective the windows will be at reducing noise. Triple-pane windows, for example, offer the highest level of soundproofing, as the additional layer of glass and gas further dampens sound vibrations. If your home is located in a noisy area of Loves Park, such as near a busy intersection or near commercial areas, upgrading to double or triple pane windows will offer significant noise reduction benefits. Window frame materials impact soundproofing. When installing new windows for soundproofing, it's not just the glass that matters. The material of the window frame plays an important role in noise reduction. Frames made from materials such as vinyl, Fiberglass, or wood, tend to provide better sound insulation compared to aluminum frames, which can transmit sound more easily. Vinyl and fiberglass frames, in particular, offer excellent insulation and are often used in conjunction with double or triple pane glass for maximum soundproofing. The insulation properties of these materials help minimize the amount of noise that can enter your home through the window frame. When choosing new windows for soundproofing in Loves Park, be sure to consider both the glass and frame material to achieve the best results. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, while selecting the right windows is crucial for soundproofing. Professional installation is equally important. Even the best soundproofing windows will not perform well if they are not installed correctly. Gaps or poor sealing around the window frame can allow noise to seep through, negating the benefits of your new windows. Hiring a professional window installer ensures that your windows are properly sealed and fit tightly in their frames. The installation process also includes sealing any gaps between the window and the surrounding wall, preventing sound from entering through cracks or leaks. Proper installation is key to maximizing your window's noise reduction capabilities and achieving the best soundproofing results. Additional features for enhanced soundproofing. In addition to selecting the right type of glass and frame, there are additional features you can incorporate into your window installation for enhanced soundproofing. For example, installing windows with thicker glass or using a combination of different glass thicknesses in the same window can help reduce sound transmission. Another feature to consider is noise-reducing window treatments, such as heavy curtains or acoustic blinds. These can be used in conjunction with your new windows to further minimize sound infiltration, especially during periods of high noise levels. Together, quality windows and soundproofing treatments can make a significant difference in the comfort and peace of your home. Increased home comfort and privacy. In addition to reducing outside noise, soundproofing windows help improve the overall comfort of your home. By minimizing the amount of noise that enters from outside, you create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This can be especially beneficial in areas of your home where you want to relax or focus, such as bedrooms or home offices. Soundproof windows also enhance privacy by limiting the amount of noise that can escape from your home, preventing people outside from overhearing conversations or activities. This added layer of privacy can be especially important if you live in a densely populated area in Loves Park or near busy streets. Conclusion: installing high-quality, soundproof windows in your Loves Park home is an investment that offers significant benefits. Whether you're looking to block out traffic noise, improve privacy, or create a more peaceful atmosphere indoors, window installation is one of the most effective ways to achieve these goals. From energy-efficient options to laminated and triple-pane glass, the right windows will dramatically improve your home's soundproofing, making your living space more comfortable and enjoyable. If you're ready to enhance your home's quietude and comfort, consult with a professional window installer to explore the best options for your needs.